Are you looking for the best AC recharge kit? In this video, we will break down the top 6 AC recharge kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
Motorists shopping for a more budget-friendly recharge kit will love the Mofeez Pro because the price is quite good for a complete AC recharge kit. Besides the pressure gauge and hoses, this kit includes couplers, an adapter, and comes with detailed instructions. Despite the smaller price tag, the kit components are well built with heavy-duty plastic, aluminum, and PVC materials. It has a refrigerant view window to make it easy to keep track of the freon when charging or recovering the AC system. Another convenient feature is that the hoses are color-coded to ensure you have an easy time identifying them. The knobs on the gauges feel a little cheap, but they still work well, and like all other components of the kit, they are surprisingly very durable. While the plastic seal rings are not the best, you can still get a proper seal by tightening the connector with pliers. The Kozyvacu is probably the highest quality option you'll have, both in terms of durability and practicality. This kit comes with its own 3.5 CFM vane pump for extra efficiency, a 0 to 400 psi pressure gauge, a red, yellow, and blue coupler, and an R134 tap. In short, you can make this AC recharge kit work with all kinds of AC refrigerant systems without issues. Its piece is utterly durable, especially the pump with a die-cast aluminum housing. It delivers 3.5 CFM and 1/4 HP to recharge any refrigerant tank in just a few seconds. And it helps to get rid of the old refrigerant as well, without problems and with a single touch of a button. This pump also comes with its own oil. You won't have any issue doing maintenance to the piece when needed. It will also maintain the product working for years. The gauges make the whole process easy and safe. You won't have to do anything by ear or hand. Even opening the freon will be a piece of cake with the tap this kit comes with. And with the practical carrying bag it comes with, you can take this AC recharge kit anywhere, and it will save you tons of effort. Those who are looking for a professional-grade machine will be thrilled with this one from Robinair. It's an efficient device that allows for quick and successful refrigerant recovery. You can use it on all kinds of systems for both home and commercial purposes. The machine is compact and lightweight, so you can take it with you if necessary. Buyers also love how versatile it is. It works with all standard CFC, HFC, and HFC refrigerants, which means you can use it for all kinds of AC systems around the house. What makes the machine even more special is its impressive construction. Meant to withstand daily and heavy use, the machine has a cross-flow design for more efficiency. It also has an automatic shut-off switch in case the pressure rises too much, so safety is guaranteed. However, keep in mind that the machine runs slowly and the entire process might take a while. Also, it might not be a perfect option for those who are on a tight budget. This is a high-end machine suitable for professionals, and it proves to be on the expensive side. This kit has the tools you need to diagnose and repair AC systems. The high-efficiency vacuum pump effectively removes the refrigerant so you can use it later, while it also removes moisture and air from the system so you're ready to recharge. Use the HVAC type gauges to accurately monitor the pressure in the system. The multicolored hoses help you keep organized, and the kit includes most fittings and connectors you need for removing and replacing the refrigerant. The pump housing is made from alloy aluminum, so it is light yet durable. The pump has an oil fill port designed for simple filling and draining. It also includes a handy carrying case that has room for all of this kit's components. Note, you may need to purchase some adapters separately, and the instructions provided with this kit could be better written. The Interdynamics ACP Professional Formula Refrigerant is another one of the refrigerants by Interdynamics. This formula holds different features that are unique and make it easier for you to recharge your AC system. This air in the can is cold, which allows your AC system to have a longer life and perform well. The company promises that this is the coolest air that you will find in the market for your air conditioner. This refrigerant has a moisture-wicking element. It also helps in cleaning the acid residue with its additive. It is attached to the car and is about 24 inches long, so that it can reach the hardest points without a problem. The trigger is made reusable for added convenience. The dispenser has an attached temperature dial indicator and a pressure gauge. The low pressure allows the dispenser to work for all kinds of air conditioners without a problem. You can also enjoy the kit of this dispenser that comes with more options. This is one of the simplest designs for recharging your AC system. It comes with just one hose that connects to a gauge, which is where you screw in your can of refrigerant. Once attached, you simply pull the trigger until the pressure gauge shows the level where you want it. The gauge is even color-coded to help indicate when the system needs more refrigerant, as well as when it is full, when it has become overfull, and when it is at dangerous pressure levels. This kit only works with our 1234YF refrigerants, so make sure that is what you need. Most late-model vehicles will be able to use this option, so if you drive a newer car, this is likely what you will need. If your vehicle is older, however, this kit will not work for you, so consider another option. It really could not be easier to use. The can of refrigerant will screw directly into the gauge and automatically seals in tightly to avoid wasting any coolant. The valve on the end of the hose has an opening that makes it easy to fit around the recharge port no matter where it is located. The hose is 24-inch long. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.